We are going to cover AXTON's MegaPixel PoE powered IR illuminators using the MegaPixel 25E. When you receive your unit, please note the model sticker on the box. It contains the model number, wavelength, and illumination angle, and the full part number. You will need this if you call for product support. There is also a QR code that you can scan for more information about the unit. When you pull the unit out, take note of the quick setup guide. It contains information for properly connecting your illuminator. When installing your PoE illuminator, make sure that your PoE midspan or PoE switch matches the PoE power requirements of your device, which in this case it is PoE or PoE+. The AT25E is a 25 watt unit, but the MegaPixel series is also available in 11 and 56 watt versions. The setup guide also has directions for wiring the unit in constant on, automatic, and externally controlled configurations. This unit has the AXTON tilting U-bracket installed. This is the standard bracket. It comes included with the Illuminator. We also have many different brackets for most mounting requirements. You want to make sure to order the necessary brackets for your application. You can adjust the U-bracket by loosening the bolts on either side and tilting the unit to cover the area you are monitoring. Once you have the unit at the angle you need, simply tighten the bolts. You will want to mount the unit as vertically as possible to allow for the maximum amount of air to flow past the fins on the back of the heatsink. On the back of the unit, you will find a cable gland for the cable to enter the unit. Do not loosen or tighten this, as it will affect the environmental sealing made in the factory and can void the warranty. Next to the cable gland, you will see a small white lens. This is for the ambient light sensor used in automatic mode. Keep this in mind when mounting your unit. For the MegaPixel series, there are two cables exiting the unit. On one, you will find an RJ45 plug for the PoE input. This is for power only. On the other cable, you will find the wires that you will use to make your connections for controlling the unit. Use the quick setup guide to make the proper connections for your application. Make all of your connections before applying power to the unit. Make sure, one more time, that you are using the appropriate power for your unit. At this point, you can power up your unit and be ready to go.